Hello students, I am back. Class 5, Subject EVS, Chapter 7. Chapter name, Our Forest and People. Topic, Communities dependent on forest produce. Today we are going to talk about the people, those who are dependent on the forest for their requirements. Villages that lie close to the forest or in the surrounding areas heavily depend on forest resources for their livelihood. The people, those who are living near the forest, they are getting everything from the forest for their life. Almost things are fully dependent for the forest. They use the forest for food, fuel, medicines, fodder for their livestock, building materials for their homes, and for other non-timber products. They are getting food from the forest, fuel which they are using to make the food or for the other works. They are getting their medicines. They are getting the fodder for their livestock. Fodder for the livestock means the food which is used to make the domestic animals or pet animals for their life. Livestock means the domestic or pet animals, and the fodder means food which they are giving them. Building materials for their homes. When they are want to make the homes, they need the building materials that is from the forest. And the non-timber products. Non-timber products that are not the wood form, in the other forms, leaf-like things. They sell some of these products in the marketplace to earn a livelihood. They get few things from the forest and also selling it in the market to get the money. Many of these communities are primarily engaged in agriculture. Since they are living near the forest, they have the land, so definitely they are doing also the agriculture work. They are producing the crops also. Sometimes they also use the forest land as grazing grounds for their livestock. Here I told you they are using the forest for fodder for their livestock, means their pet animals or domestic animals. The same thing here, they are using these forest land, the grass, plants, other things as for the livestock. Their animals are going there and they are eating the grass. These lands are grazing grounds. Forests have served as their agricultural land for the years. The increase in the human population has diminished the forest cover. As the day by day the agriculture work is spread, the forests are cutting down, and it all happened only because the increase in the human population. As the human population is going to be increased, they are using the more and more land for the agriculture work, and because of this the forest cover is getting down. As the human beings are being developed, they need the more and more land for their life. They are using more and more forest for their livelihood. The reason is population, and because of this we are using the forest cover. So with these points we all understand that how the communities are dependent on forest for the things. They are very important for us, but it should be in a limited use. Because of the population is getting increasing, and the population and the forest cover is getting low. So today's homework is learn and write these points in your EVS activity copy. You have to learn all these points and also you have to write it in your EVS activity copy. Thank you.